an EMT model Kershaw, and I'm going to do the serrate, and then I'm going to do the front part. First you do the serrate in the middle. This makes it vibrate, chatters up and down through the teeth, and it sharpens from the top to the bottom all the way through the entire tooth. You will not destroy the teeth, even if you try to, it will not. It sharpens the serrate through the entire tooth, top to bottom, all the way through. Does that feel sharper? Feel that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Now let me do the front. On the front, we made these a squeeze back so they follow the original bevel. When you squeeze that blade in there nice and tight, bring the back of the knife up. It puts the pressure on the very edge of the blade, takes the guesswork out, and puts the original edge back in your knife. They take very little to no steel off the knife itself, yet you'll grab razor sharp quite easy. We're American made, we offer a lifetime guarantee. Today I'm dropping them down in the show, 20 each, 2 for 30. Show special. How's that feel? Is that sharper than brand new?
Yeah.
American made, I'll do any blade.
Thanks.
You know it, buddy.